Hey, I'm John, and I'm going to show you how using the Apply Chrome plugin can make your job search faster, easier, and more effective than ever before. So here I am on Indeed, the world's largest job site, where I want to apply for this job, Customer Support Representative at the company Babylon Health. So I'm going to click on Apply, and unfortunately, like many jobs, this redirects me to the company's website where I need to fill out all the same information all over again. And I don't want to do that. I would rather apply with just one click. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm opening up here the Apply Chrome plugin, and I'm going to click on Apply for this job, and that's completed the job application for me in just one click. To strengthen this application, I'm also going to want to write a custom cover letter. So I'm clicking on Create Cover Letter, and I need to feed our AI with some information to guide it. In future iterations of Apply, this will be done for me automatically. Pasting in here the job requirements, clicking Continue. I'm a great fit because of my past experience, my competence and expertise, and I really believe in the company because of its workplace culture and its talented team. What really makes me stand out is I received a 92% customer satisfaction rating during my Q3 2020 review. And now over to our AI to map our profile, that information, and the job description together to give me this right here, custom cover letter. And I'm now ready to apply. And that's Apply.